Yo, what's good? Just your boy, I'm here with Hanry. Can you introduce yourself?
My name is Hanry.
Hanry what?
Babakanyan.
Hanry, he's the owner of this.
ProCare Auto Clinic.
Yep. So if you're not Hollywood, you want to customize your car, you want to tune it, you want to do whatever, come and talk to him, and then you guys will figure it out. So why do you open a car shop? You could have opened a restaurant. Do you love cars?
Yeah, I've been working on the car since high school.
Since high school?
Since high school, yeah.
How many years since high school to today?
Almost 40 years.
40 years working on cars. So So that's why you open your own shop? Like you?
Well, I came here first in 1988.
1988.
Till 2000, I was working for 3 places. Then at 2000, I decided to open up my own shop. And this was the closest to the shop that I used to work down the street.
Oh.
So I came here.
So you opened it because you were tired to work for older people, or what was it? Like, you just wanted to own something, your own business?
I own something because I was working hard, still working hard today, but I want to have my own shops.
So you wanted to have your own shop. So it's really important to have your own business, right?
It is important. But on the other side, on the other hand, actually, it's hard to keep it going too. I've been here about 22 and a half years now.
That's a lot of years, 22 and a half years. That's somebody's whole life. So why do you open it here? Why this specific spot?
This was the shop that was available by that time. Plus, it's close to home. I've been working most of my life in the valleys. So I was pretty much know the neighborhood, the people around.
I feel like there's more traffic over here too. Like you have a gas station outside, you have a crossroad. This is a pretty busy crossroad.
Very busy intersection.
So many cars, there's so many cars outside, and then
Thank God, yeah.
How do you come up with with the idea of becoming a mechanic? Like,
back home we take the 4 years of the high school as skills.
Oh.
You can take auto electrician, auto mechanic, machinist, accounting, you choose a skill for 4 years in high school. So I took the auto repair, auto mechanic. So after I graduate high school, I have 4 years of experience because we work practically, we work on the cars, and after 4 years you have a degree and you have experience, so they hire you right away.
See?
Since then I've been working on cars since high school.
So basically you have love for cars.
Yeah, of course.
So this man loves what he does. He loves what he does.
You have to have a passion, yes.
See, that's how you succeed in it. You have to have passion. You have to love it. That's what's gonna give you the motivation, the strength to keep on moving forward. That's pretty dope. 22 and a half years, same location.
Time flies, man.
That's actually many years to. Some people don't keep their business that long. They start it, like maybe a couple years later, they can't handle it, and then they just sell it. They go somewhere else. When everything gets harder, they just they can't take it anymore.
It's been tough, of course. It's been tough, but you have to just try.
You have to keep going,
going, and don't give up.
Don't give up. You heard that, guys? No matter the situation, you have your business, you're a business owner, you're starting your own business, do not give up. It's not going to be easy, especially the beginning. The beginning is the hardest, I think so, right? Because you got to get all the license, the locations, the places, the employees, all those things. You got to have to deal with it, So if you're out there, you're trying to open your business, do not give up. Like, if you start it, make sure to go all the way, Hard work always pays off, just keep up with it.
At the end, yes.
Yeah.
Honesty.
Yep.
Honesty is the best policy.
Yeah. So how do you grow this business to get it what it is today? How? Like, I know you're working, but how do you?
I try to keep up with the licenses, buying more equipment, get involved with the smoke repairs, smoke tests, work with the government, contract with the government, and
then working every day.
6-7 days sometimes. I usually work 6 days full, but sometimes I come Sunday too.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
And then to keep it moving, you just gotta get brand new equipment. Sometimes you gotta switch stuff.
Every year, every 2 years, we took licenses. We took tests for license
Oh,
to renew. Plus we buy tools. The car's model every year change. This is an auto repair, a general repair. So I work on all kind of cars.
Yeah.
If you work in 1 or 2 cars, you become a specialist. But now I'm a general repair, so I work on all kind of cars. So you have to buy the tools in order to keep with the business.
Yep. So you have to renew. You have to renew the license. You have to get new equipment when you need, and then you have to just work hard, I guess, to keep it moving. You gotta make your customers happy. You just you gotta be loyal to your customers, and then if they're loyal to you, they bring you more customers, right? They talk to the neighbor, the families, and then so referral that's really important. When you keep your customers, your people happy, they bring you more people.
I remember I only advertised first month or 2. After that
You didn't do it.
That's it. Never done advertisements.
That's crazy.
All work on word of mouth. When people they tell each other.
See that's hard. That's old school, but it's still hard to keep it. To keep it that long. Why don't you have employees? Why? You keep the business this long, you get it going, you're so busy, but why don't you have employees?
Now?
Yeah.
First year or 2 I worked alone, then I had 2 full-time employees and 1 part-time. Till 2008 the market crashes. So I only kept 1 guy. Till COVID. When the COVID hits, business gets a little bit slow.
Yeah.
And after COVID, I can't find anybody to work. Now it's hard to find a good employee.
I know. And then plus, you don't really have time to cheat somebody, right? You want somebody that already knows the business.
I don't have time. That's why. Unfortunately, I don't have time.
Because it would take you.
I don't have that.
It would take you forever just
patient. Honestly.
Because I get it. Because if you have a business, like you have let's say you have all these cars that you gotta work on, you don't have time to be running after somebody to teach him something while you could be working on your own stuff.
I've been working with appointments for the last 3 years now.
So people come appointment. That's pretty good. That's a good way to go. And then I think also to make sure, because you know your customers and they know you. And then you want to make sure that they get the best of the whatever they're bringing here. You want to best service, and then if you want to keep that best service, I think to keep it up, you have to do it on your own. You have to do it by yourself.
It's not easy. It's hard.
Yeah,
it's very
hard. It's very hard. But I think at some point it's like the best way to go. If you really want to keep your people happy, and then give them the best service. Like give them the best of the best. I think that's the way to go.
Yeah, and I'm just be honest with them, and I'll tell them up front. I'm busy right now.
Yeah, it's taking this long.
It's gonna take a little bit longer.
Yeah.
And they understand. Thank God. Thank God they understand. And I've been blessed. Honestly, I'm been blessed.
Amen. Always put God first. Let's get it. How many cars can you have here, ones?
From 8 to 10 cars, honestly. 8 to 10 cars. The quickie one, oil change and the spot check, they do right away. They leave. But for the repairs, they usually stay here. I usually have 6, 7, 8, 10 cars. Right now I have 4 outside, 3 here, and 1 in the back.
That's pretty good.
8 cars, yeah.
Yeah. So you got it. You got to learn from this man. You said the first year you did marketing for the
Only,
business.
First couple months.
And then you haven't done any marketing
Nothing
for it?
At all.
Anything?
Nothing.
Wow, bro.
It's all word of mouth.
Can you imagine having a business nowadays and you don't do marketing for it, and then you only you make your customers happy, and then they bring you more customers? That's the best marketing ever.
Word of mouth. That's correct.
Because they as long as your people are happy, they will always want to come here. They will always want to talk to other people about your the business, the location, to come and check you out. Like me, for example, I've known you since 2015, right? 2015?
Could be earlier.
Maybe earlier. Yeah, probably earlier. Yeah. And then since then, this is 2022. Like I've been coming here sometimes I come here 4 times a week just to visit.
Yes.
That you see, that's crazy. that's just how life is, man. You know, word of mouth and then best marketing out there. You know, I feel like if you were doing more marketing, you'd be way busy, but you can't have that much business because you're on your own and you're getting appointment only, and then
Be honest. That's the best policy. Just be honest. I always say you can fool the people once.
Yeah.
If you're very smart, twice. Third time they'll know, and then you lose a customer.
That's true.
And people, they talk to each other. And they
Yeah,
tell
of
each
course,
other, you know?
of course, yeah. So how many days you open? You say 6.
Currently 6 days, yeah.
6 days a week, and sometimes you work 7.
Sunday, I come Sunday, but it's closed. I'm inside the shop.
It's still
It's not
working.
open. Yeah, of course.
It's still working
Yeah,
because
but it's not open to the public, so
nobody talks to you. Yeah. And then how many hours you work? From what time to what time?
Weekdays are 8:30 to 5:30. Sundays I come from 9 to 1 or 2 sometimes.
And then Saturday?
Saturdays are early, 8:30 to 2:30.
There you have it, guys. So if you're not Hollywood, you wanna bring your car here, that you have the time, you have the days, check it out, or not, stop here and then maybe you can work somewhere with it, and then bring your car maybe on Sunday. Workaholic.
That's the word.
Yeah, I don't take vacation either too. So, but I don't work on the field like this. Like I don't touch stuff. But I don't really take vacation. Even if I'm taking vacation, I will go with my computer. I will go with my equipment. I'm still gonna have to be filming stuff. You know, I'm gonna be filming. I'm gonna be editing because I love editing. You know, So I don't know when I'm gonna take vacation. You know, or as I'm gonna be doing music, I'm gonna be recording something. You know, I'm gonna listen to some beats and that's How do you make money? People want to know. How do you make money?
Just working hard. Well,
so
I try to save money if I can.
Yeah.
But obviously I work long hours.
That's how you make some money.
But I try to save a little bit of money for the equipments, for the updating the tools.
Everything, the location.
Yeah.
You gotta take care of this place. So he makes money by running this business, okay, working long hours. But this is America, bro. Like in America, to survive, it's pretty tough out here. You know, to survive, you have to be working really, really, really hard. You know, unless you have people working for you and you just go on a vacation whenever you want. You know what I'm saying? It's pretty, especially nowadays, it's pretty hard with the inflation and everything going on. It's like after COVID, everything got even worse, you know? So, would you sell this place one day? Like, are you gonna sell it one of these days? Or are you gonna leave it to your younger generation, like your kids?
I'm not ready yet, but obviously there's an end to everything.
If somebody comes in and like, here's $1 million, I want this place, and everything in it, would you sell it? Would you? Really?
No, yes.
You gonna sell it now? Are you gonna sell it and go up in another shop? I know you.
No.
You're gonna sell it and run outside and go up in another shop somewhere else.
I try to find the work with the cars again. Yeah.
Of course. I mean, you're always gonna find it where you can. Like, can you imagine walking like this every day, like 6 or 7 days a week? You know, 8 a.m. to like 6 or something, and then one day you just stop, but you're gonna fall sick. Like you can't. You have to. You're gonna wake up in the morning like. The first day, maybe you're gonna be happy. I'm not working. Second day, you're gonna start thinking. Third day, you're gonna be like, I have a problem. You know, it's like you can't. You have to. You're gonna sell it, but you're gonna have problems. You know, you're gonna find a hobby.
It's sad, but it's the truth that we are.
Yeah, because when once you get used, once you get used to it, it's a problem. You know, it's not easy.
That is right.
Yeah, guys. You know, that's what it is. Especially when you work all these years without taking a vacation. You're not used to taking vacation. You're not used to not doing anything. When you're not used to not doing anything, and then once you don't do anything, it's a problem. It's like you're very sick. It's like you want to shoot something, you know?
This is a physical work, you know?
Exactly.
You're moving.
Yes. Can you imagine staying, not doing anything?
Seat, not,
you can't.
Sitting, you know?
Yeah.
This is a physical work.
Yeah. If you're in the office, if you used to stay in the office, then that I understand that you can easily stay without doing anything. But once you're like moving here, you move there all day for all these years, and then one day you just stop, it's not gonna happen. That's impossible. I know that because I'm always moving too, and then I can't imagine you like that happening to you. Like you doing that, it's not it's not an option. Maybe when you're really, really old, then maybe that, yeah. But yeah, guys, there you have it. This is how Hanry been running this business, how he's still running the business. Keep customers happy, keep the people happy, best service out there. Like he work hard. He works like 6 or 7 days. About like sometimes like 9 hours to 10 hours. That's crazy. If you're not Hollywood, what's the address?
6761 Vineland Avenue, North Hollywood, California, 91606.
And then the phone number?
818-761-9586.